Hi, I'm Peter Joseph, and this is the Great British Chef Signature Series. When I was in school, I used to see the chefs on TV. I admire them, especially when they're cooking. They cook for 1,500 people a day. In my house, my dad, mom, and sisters, all of them are teachers. So I'm happy today that I have chosen the hotel industry. 5 years I was in India, then I moved to London. I love the city because of the multicultural food. I personally love Chinese food. I always go to Chinatown, the famous restaurants, and I love them. I'm Peter Joseph. We are in a Kahani restaurant at the moment. I'm going to make grilled stun bass with yellow tomato chutney. This dish, especially the fish, I really like. It remembers me of one of my favorite fish back in India. So that's why I'm using this fish today. We are just portioning the stun bass, just cut into 100-gram pieces. Leave it in a side. Now we are going to make a sauce for this fish, actually the marinade. Add olive oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add some fennel. I love this spice. It has nice flavor as well as a bit of sweeter taste, which will go very well with the fish. And I'm adding chopped ginger, few garlic cloves, just toss them nicely, 2 pieces of green chili, I'm just adding the peppers, just we need to toss them nicely. And adding few yellow tomatoes. Normally Indian cooking we use red tomato, so most of the curries and sauces shown as red in color or orange in color. So I just thought one day, why can't we make with yellow tomatoes for a different color and the flavor. When I tried them, it was shocking, it was really nice, flavorsome, and the color is different as well. I'm adding curry leaf. This is one of my favorite ingredients and it's always there in my fridge. Sprinkling some salt so that the tomato cooks faster. I'm adding turmeric now. So before removing from the fire, just add some coriander, toss it nicely. If people like more spice, they can add more green chili and season the dish as per their palate. So it's ready for yellow tomato chutney. We're going to blend this and chill them and apply them over the fish and grill them. This is a blended sauce of yellow tomato and yellow pepper chutney. So we're going to apply them. It's nicely chilled now. Just add lemon juice in the fish, or the chutney on top. Marinate them well. So it's nicely marinated. Leave it in a side for half an hour also, and we're going to make a salad for this seafood. It's very easy to make and it's nice and fresh. We have cut tomatoes and we have blanched asparagus and crushed wild rocket leaf. Rocket has a unique flavor which goes very well with fish, and crushed peppercorn, a bit of olive oil. I'm going to bake this fish in tandoor. It's a live charcoal oven, but at home we can put in over the barbecue or the oven. So it's nicely marinated. Just apply some sauce over it. The fish is ready, roasted over the top. Just removing the fish. We're going to plate the fish. So the salad stuff is ready. Just mix them well. Just leave them in the middle. Asparagus, tomato, wild rocket, the fish goes on top. Garnish with a bit of fresh and the lemon. This is my stone bars, char grilled with yellow tomato chutney with asparagus and tomato salad.